This is holding the gap really well. This is holding the gap really well here. Might jump in early. We'll see. It's going to be 8 a.m. soon, so maybe this has a move in it. Should have failed already. Should have failed already. There is a hidden buyer here. It's kind of feels like a hidden buyer right there at 22. Take a look here. At AM coming up. Yeah, let's do it. Boom, right there, 27. The gap's right there. I might add here because this looks very strong, but I need to see it over VWAP 35. Is this worth it here? Massive buying. Let's see it. Let's see it. Like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Should have broken 22 here, here, and here. Possibly here too, but definitely here, here, here. 8 a.m. here. We're looking for a good move. BLE shall stop is 22. Break of 22. Nice. 32. There you go. So maybe we get a nice little move to 40. I'll take some profit, but I do want to add. Taking profit 35. Gonna add 200 on the pullback. Nice, 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 nice. It's going straight up. Let's go. Dip back into this gap. I'll take a dip. 32. All right, 40. Sheesh. I took some profit at 35. Now we're at 40. This is a beautiful move here. So looking for a dip. Looking for a dip here. Looking for a dip. $35 is VWAP. How much is this move going to play out here? Can you get an interesting pullback to maybe a little lower? Here it is, 33, 32. Add it right here, 33, basically 34, looking for this move. 39. Good bounce there from 33 from my ad. So let's go 41. Let's say 338. So now I have 100 from 33. Locking that in. Stop his break even at 33. So now I have this here. VWAP 8. VWAP 56. 56 is VWAP, okay. 33 here. 33 again. Not too many strong red gaps on the way down, so it's a good sign. At 42, okay. So it looks like we can get a move now. A double bottom. $39 needs to fold. It'll fold 39, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna add here. Add in right here at 40, at 40 and a half, 41. Stop at 37. Small size. I'm still pretty small size here, but looks like a good setup. It's 44, 45. Dip, 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 dip. 42, 41. I'll add right here. 42 again. Stop is 39 flat. Just I want to get that push to 50. Don't break 39, don't break 39. Back over 40, back over 40. Good, 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 good. Just looking a little weak now. Oh, 38. Okay. Dang, that rejection. I added on that pullback looking for this move back to 50, but okay, cool. So oh, it's all right. Yeah, heavier rejection here. Man, not fun. But I got most of this move here. $40 with 200 shares, not bad. You take a stab here, 57. We'll take a stab here, 57. Keep it real tight. And there you go. That's keeping it real tight. Maybe at 56. 50. Oh my gosh. I'm getting rocked here. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Oh, come on, skipping my entry. Get me out. Ah, what a way to lose the money you just made, bro. Trying to get a good dip, but it just flushed on me. Like this again. Doesn't want to fail. In right there, 33. Needs to go right away for me. Don't want to hold this for too long. Yeah. Darn it. I thought it would spike right away, but I got caught. Probably will work. Let's see. Getting a little impatient. Yeah, that was kind of a weird trade. Maybe I should wait for this to be above 40. Yeah, I'll wait for this to be above 40. Good though, good dip down here. Got out too fast. Rejection there. 36. I get a move before 9 or 9 a.m. Getting a little choppy here. NCRA. Waiting for a signal, waiting for something interesting to show up. Perhaps a big buyer. Perhaps a nice gap where I can enter. We shall see. $45 needs to get above 45 to start squeezing some shorts. Shorts are adding. Shorts probably added here. Probably adding here again. So we need to get out about 45, closer to 50. Put a little pressure on them, and they might add a 52 at 50 as well. So, but the setup looks great. 5 minute setup looks great. A lot of topping wicks, but that's just a signal of what the stock is. It's SSR. Short sale restriction. We can squeeze. We can make a move to $2 here. Once I start noticing the tape, now it's gonna be game on. Hopefully it waits 30 minutes to the open. Could do it at 9 a.m. The next 15 minutes. Here we go. So 47 there. Try to size up a little bit more. Seller at 50. They're gonna short every spike. So here we go, 52. I'll buy here if it goes to I'll buy here. 49. Stop is gonna be 47. But I'm thinking there's gonna be a push here. There it is. I'm in at 50. There it is. Come on. 51. Small size. There might be a dip here. Maybe a dip back to 47. I could handle that. Nice. Nice. I need to see this tape. I need to see shorts just starting to get squeezed. 55. 56, 57. 58. Good, 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 good. Let's form one more green candle. I think it can do one more green candle to a double top of 60s, 60s. So I'll add for the break of 60. We might give a dip here, back to 47. Oh, no. Wow, took profit right there, 64. Okay, well, let me see if I can make an ad here, 58 for a retest of 70s. 63. Back over 70. Okay, well, what a move. Only small size. I'll take it off over at 70s again. Look for a next move. Out right there, 72. Okay, out everything actually 71. Keeps going. I didn't get a good sense of where to add in the 60s. Dang, took profit. Thought it would stall out a little bit more. 80, high of that is 80. So nice winner there, up 50 bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take 1K on this. Stalling out. And rejecting the top. People added, shorts added in the 70s, 80s. Did it go to 80s? No, just 80. So we may get We may get a dip. $58. What do we got? So we can get, I don't like that rejection. Now we're kind of trading in the shadow of this rejection. Now what? It could have been a trade right here, 50, 60, 61. We'll stop at 58. But I'm not a big fan of this rejection. Not a big fan of the gap after this rejection. I could be proven wrong, and I could keep going. If there's another dip and it holds, it actually could be interesting. So looking for this to hold. Small size on the dip because I don't want to get a massive flush on me. Sellers. Seller, 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 seller. Quick bounce. Quick bounce. So now we're looking at 53, 51, 50. 52, closer to 50. CODX. Oh, CODX. Wow, nice. Okay, it's 50 might be a good spot. Okay, came down to 54, held. Nice. I actually don't know how well this is going to play out. So let's just take small size here. The tape is speeding up. 15 seconds. 64 is that low. Tape speeding up. Tape speeding up. Yeah. Just want to see a dip. Man, not a chance. Not a chance. Looks like it was good. Good setup here. I just didn't take it. 72. Darn it. $74. Wow. Hmm. 80. $73. I make a move to $2 here. Fine, 77. Only 200 shares. Don't like the fact that it's taking long here. Don't like the fact that it's taking long. Taking too long here to bounce. I'll keep it, I'll keep it. There's a big seller there. Oh my gosh. I'm actually did not mean to do that. I clicked it by mistake. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, I randomly click here just to like, I guess, ease my nerves, and oh, that was so dumb. Oh, 70. That was a great dip down there. Bro, that sucks. That sucks. Even about 76, you know? At least by 70. Dang it. That's a silly way to lose money, right? Making a mistake. Making a mistake like that. What a silly way to lose money. Ah, dang it. Let's see how well we're gonna hold this. I would like to go ahead and get a dip here. I'm gonna grab it here. 200 shares right here. I grab it a little lower, under 50. Maybe I get in a little too soon here. We'll see. 47 is a stop there, but just a bit, just a little bit. I want to get caught in some shenanigans here, but looks like we are potentially holding a bit well. Increasing red volume. Might be a seller up here. We'll see. Could be good though. Hmm. 56. Yep. Out. Out 54. Rejected that. And there's sellers stacking up, so I'll just wait a little bit. Gonna wait till the open, I guess. This might give a lower move down. Here we go. So MNTS hold up is 1438. It could go into a hold here. Dip Hi, this is 1266. Maybe there's a dip somewhere in here. Try to break out of this red gap. Still struggling. 1280, 1260, 1260 again. I'll buy this. 90s. 94. Let's see if we can get it moved to 14 on this. 94. I'm gonna get it out pretty quick. Oh, don't know about this. Out right there, 70s. Don't know about that. I was looking for a move to 14 on that dip on 90s, but all right, I'm gonna stay patient. Looks like it didn't work. Got a bigger range though, 1250. Maybe 1250. Yeah, tough move there. Um, nothing. Back though, back over 1250. Back over that level again. Back over this level again. Which is kind of almost bought it 70s. But it's on a red gap. No, let's break that red gap. Okay, now we have this one here. They didn't break. Oof, that's good. That's good. They didn't break this. Now we're gonna take that 1K size we love so much. Pretty volatile there, pretty volatile. Okay, down 30 bucks. Been up and down all day, but it's all right. Pretty choppy this one. So this could hold here, VWAP. Halting down. That's not a good sign. Okay, MNTS. MNTS. I don't think they're news. Strong news, except on the 22nd. It's holding though. We'll wait. Let's stay patient. NCRA. We got resistance until 60 here. So we could get something, but has to move above 60 for me to trade it. Above 60. Nice, forming a nice green gap on the 5-minute. Needs to get above 60. We have the resistance in the 5-minute red gap. But I don't know. What else do we got? OTLK, nothing. MNTS, QTEX, nothing. All right, I'll stay patient. We'll see here. We'll see. Over 13. Oh, wait. How was I able to buy this? Oh, did I buy the ask? I was able to buy it if I had the extended hours. Huh? It's so weird. Okay, here we go. So this high is 54. So 54. Good volume is increasing here. Like how this volume is increasing. I'll get in here. 58, 57.6, 58. Okay. To calf, working with 800 shares. Struggling a bit. It might open up if we get over 60. So staying hopeful here. Staying very hopeful if it opens over 60. Oh, there. Okay. It's a little bit wild here. Wild. Going up a few cents, going down a few cents. VWAP is 55. All right. Wow, $26. That's kind of excessive. That's kind of excessive for 800 shares. $0.04. I guess that makes sense. It's 4 cents. Yeah, I tried to get that breakout through 60, but was not doing it. Oh, okay. Look at this MNTS here. What do we got? Is that something worth trading? We may go to a hold up here now. $13.50, $13.50, 50 is just holding strong. Wonder if it's just going to flush. Yep, flushing under 13.10. I mean, I'll take a dip under 13. 1280 is my stop. Come on, give me a dip off 13. Dip under 13, you can do it. It said it dipped. I didn't actually see it. At least not on my level 2. There. Ooh. Don't like. Okay, out right there. Did not like that. Did not like that. So got out there. Okay, gonna be staying away from this, I think. Not good on the dips. Okay, here we go. It needs to get above this gap. It needs to get out of this red gap. It's got a little gap right here. I know if it gets out of here, we can squeeze because we got the momentum on our backs. We're stair stepping higher on the 5 minute. It just needs a little bit of time. It needs a little bit of a push. I know it's got some big rejections, but the green candles are bigger. We're in this red gap. I just wanna wait until we get out of this and we can catch a great move, and that will be our day. That will be our day. Over 1320. Okay, here we are. So 1360, very nice. I need to see a dip here. I'll take a dip in the 50s. 55, that's an awesome fill. That's a really awesome fill. Come on. Don't disappoint here. We're gonna take this guy over to 14. So risking about 20, 30 cents, pretty much. Don't do that. Here we go. It could give another dip here. Bang, bang, bang. Let's go. 50 on the ask though, so don't wanna get too caught up here thinking it's gonna work. But I'm giving it time, I'm giving it room. I'm going for $1 a share. So if I'm going for $1 a share, here we go. I need to give it some room here. It's only 200 shares. Let's see, 70s. There you go. 80s. 80s. I want to add here. I want to be able to add on this push. Don't stall. Don't stall. Nice, 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 nice. Adding for the break of 14. Adding right there 80s for the break of 14. Don't freaking do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't go down. Up, up, up. 14. Break 14. Break 14. Break 14. Gonna get out there in the 80s. Oh man. It just looked too weak. That volume did not come in at 90s. I might actually do it. Get out 81. The price action is just so awful. Ah, my ad was not the best. Well, my ad was great actually. My ad just did not hold long enough for this. Here we go, 14, 16, 20. Ah, dang it. There's my trade, but it didn't come in the way we expected it. Dang it. All right, time to look for another trade. Can we get a pot drop here to 13? That's a shame, man. I got out too quickly on that. I would be banking right here. This garbage can drop pretty fast. It's hard to trust here. All right. Can I give this a try here? I want to give this a try right here. Trying 1403. Tiny size. Tiny. So small I don't even see it. Mm. There it goes. It's 14. Yeah. All right. Kind of worth a shot, I guess. Might be strong, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. Okay, UZX been moving. Just started to notice it. Nice call out. UZX. Nice call out. Possible target what? This level here. 108, 110. We got a few levels. We got a few levels where we gotta go. '98. Starting nowhere. Get my first entry here. Already at $1. We can't keep going. I do want to see a dip. '97, '95. Can I get it? Okay, '96. Maybe '92. '95 to '92. 94. Holding this pullback. It's a new stock. A new stock. Good pullback into the gap, 92 there. Hmm. 87 is that low. I'll take that 90. 90 is a good spot. High 90s. You know, that seems to be a good spot if you're actually going to work and give a proper pullback, a proper move. We can work with this. Bro. $88. Ah. 87. Okay, that worked. 88. 89. I could add here. $88. Just 1,000 shares. I mean, I was looking to lose $30 there, but 3 cents. YMAT hold up. What? That's crazy. Okay, let me go there. How did this thing hold up? All right, it's time for me to get on this one. Finally. Now what do we do here? How much time do we got on this? 4 minutes. Okay, let me see if I can get this one to keep going higher. Buyer right there. Buyer's a 90. We can get a move here back to $1. So you can have right there, the top of the gap. It's a red gap here, so we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Nice. Wish I had a break-even stop. I don't have that hotkey, so we'll see. Okay, so 58. What's the high? 64. As low as 48. All right, let's go. Okay, this one's pumping too. All right, let's do it. Off to a better start. Off to a better start. 65. So I'm looking for a dip in the 50s, under 60 at least. At least under 60. Nice. Okay, just with 1,000 shares, good stuff. I should have added right here, 88, but that's all right. We're gonna wait for this thing to open here, 40 seconds. Got out 96 on this. So what do we got here? Would it fail? Would it continue? 20 seconds, 65. Ideally under 58. Ideally under 58. 55, 54. Here we go. I'll take it off. Big seller right there. Okay, not bad. Not bad. We could do it again. We do it again here. 54, 53. Hold down is 44, 48. Yeah. That's a risky one. That's a risky one, but pays well. This was an incredible V-shape reversal. Ooh, 94. I'll take a 94. Bro, that's lame. It breaks the gap. Gets him on 95, gets him on, so it's like a break-even trade. Ah. So it didn't really hold there, but it could still hold. Who knows? Let's see if we can grab a trade here. Waiting around. Been waiting around, been patient here. 98 to 96. There's a dip right there. Get a nice trade going. or $1. If you hold $1, and I can add to this position here. Hold $1, 98, 98, 96. Okay, 98 was good. 98 was a safe bet. Now here, hold $1. Oh, shoot. I try to go for that gap and go at $1. That didn't work. Now let's see if we can get 98 again. $98. There are buyers here. There are buyers in 98. So huh. The dips are strange. The dips are not clear. Back to 98. $98 keeps holding though. This thing keeps attempting to go higher. That's annoying. It's annoying. I want to see what happens if it breaks 98. Do we reclaim 98 again? There's lots of support here. Ooh, ooh, yeah, that's what I wanted to avoid. It looks like we got hammered down there. Yeah, price action is awful. Stepping back. Okay, this thing should have failed there. It actually should have failed. So what's it gonna be? Wow, it moves like garbage. It needs to open up, right? There's like one trade in this that it needs to open up. $96. I think this thing might actually crash. So much is accumulated here. So many orders are accumulated. Shorts are eager to see this down. Eager to see this thing crash. It could also lead to a massive halt up. Okay, now we can do this. Now we can do this. So you've held quite a few times here. Now it's time to commit to this. I'll get in here. 80. Ugh. Now you want to drop 90, 98. It could be getting caught here in a, yeah, it could be getting caught here. No, thank you. Could be getting caught here in like a long trap, trapping longs to go short. Man, all right, lost just a bit off the top. Trying to build that position. You know, start here 1K, boom, boom, boom. Start building that to 110. So, all right, well, that was great. It's be the time. It's been holding really well. This area here, 90s. So I'm coming down here. Are we finally gonna do a 97? Ah, I think fill me $1. Okay, don't break one. Stop is very tight because this thing can take me out pretty quickly. 101. Yeah, out right there. 98. I can get in here, 98 again. In right here, 90. Ah, 98 2. Gap and go here. Oh my goodness. All right. I should have let that last one alone. Lost 40 on that. Trading too much today, it seems like. Almost squeezed everybody out of this. Yeah, that's it. Tough one, tough one. I was able to keep it tight from one when I bought it at one and bought it at 98, thinking, okay, we may try one more time, but nah, that's ridiculous here. That's ridiculous. All right, well, what is this going to look like? I could get in here, keep it tight. I know I can squeeze these guys out. Hmm. Oh, I'd actually tap this thing here. Tap this. So let's wait for the next candle. It might drop into this gap 94 and I'll take that. Can I get a, what kind of dip was that, bro? Very sus dips. Sus dips, don't got much to work with. Hmm. CODX. It's not watching this, but it looks like the volume is lower though for this type of price action. I don't know. Volume is light volume. What's the 2 million flow? 3 million float. What's the float on this? 2 million. Volume is interesting. Was close to giving 94 a try. $11 a.m. now. There's some sellers, but this thing can go straight to a hold up very soon. Let's see. So it's holding. You got buyers here. I like the buyers that are here. Holding, holding. Holding, just waiting to see a good signal here. But I like 95. Let's see what this next candle's gonna do. Low, down or up? Down or up? Down. Down it is, 94. Oh, that price action is so bad. Buying at 96, getting down 94. Oh, price action is so bad, bro. Still waiting. What's it gonna be here? Up or down, you know? My thing is, as long as we hold this level, holding this gap, you can have a solid move. Let's see, but it's tricky. This could be the kind of trade that it's just gonna turn on right away. You know, when it goes up, it's gonna go up really fast, really fast. So your buyers here 94. Don't want to get caught buying 94 and selling 91. But this is good. This is decent. 15 seconds. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Still waiting, still waiting. New candle. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Back down 94. All right, here we go. So, we are up 20 bucks. So most of what we traded, we didn't do too well on. Low accuracy, traded up quite a bit too much. 25 trades, that's too much, honestly. Let's go with the ones that it didn't work. So MNTS, we tried one dip right here, out 75. Is that a fair exit? Yeah, maybe. I think so. In here again, out 12. Yeah, out 12, 10, 31. Yep, that's a fair exit. In here, looking for this move. Try to get on the dip, didn't quite get it. Got filled a little higher, so fair exit there. Tried it on the dip here, 70s. Yeah, it was a kind of a crazy dip. It went up here, then it came back down. It got hammered down, so not working. Ah, this one here, bro. And right here, 355, 1355, holding through this dip. Comes up here, adding 84 for the break of 14. It's at 14, buying the pullback. Man, this would have been my trade on the day, bro. Sold too soon, way too soon. It would have been selling right here, 450s, 460s. That would have been an amazing trade. Probably what, $300 trade. Getting close to catching these trades, man. So how long did I hold this for? I held for 18 seconds. 18 seconds and then didn't want to do it. 18 seconds. It got close to my entry, to my average. I think my average ended up being like 1379. No, where did I buy? I bought 84. Yeah, so basically 69, I think. No, 70, 70 something. It was getting a little too close to my entry. Well, I made 11 cents per share on this. Um, so that means it was 69. Yeah, 69. So average 1369 and then just couldn't wait, I guess 20 seconds longer to the next candle and then it just freaking squeezed. All right, I'll get better at that. 100% get better at it. Try to go for a dip. Nope. QTEX at right at 7 a.m. Try to catch something. Was not, yeah, not great. Moved on. NCRA, I didn't see this at 8. 8:15. Man, this was great. I didn't actually see this, but totally missed it at 8. All right, traded it here. Try to go for that move. Lost $26 there. in here, exit because it was stalling, and then the rest down here for a $6 loss. Yeah, 2,000 shares. Could have been more. It could have been more. So I managed my risk there, manage my position. OTLK. So what did I do here? Jumped in. Was I not watching this? What happened? Did I watch this and it just went without me? I don't know. I think there were a couple things moving and I didn't sure which one to go to, which one to buy, which one to go with. Anyways, bought here, small win. Held through that. I'm thinking we're gonna keep going. Held through that. No. Bought this pullback. Got out. No. Bought another pullback. Yep. And then try to go again on that dip, and it got smoked there. So that's a loss. UZX. Ooh, yeah. Bought this dip. Went all the way down here, disrespecting my gap. I should have added right here another 1,000 shares. Should have added right there. Didn't do it. Anyway, took some profit here, here, here. I didn't think it was gonna do all that. I mean, it made it V-shaped reversal. Impressive, impressive move. Impressive, impressive. Momo strength after this uh after this bounce. What else did I trade? I traded it here, tried to go for a dip, didn't quite work. I traded here, gap and go, didn't quite work. Another gap and go, didn't quite work. Another gap and go, didn't quite work. Tried it again, got smoked on it. That was my last trade on it. Then kept looking at it, but it was not working. I almost took a trade right here in this consolidation, thinking the next candle is just gonna freaking go, but no. YMAT, the best stock so far. Why did I take this? Don't know. I got stopped out though. Gotta review that myself. So bought 23. Yep. Bought again. Wait, what did I do? Did I mess this up? There's one trade that I actually messed it up that I lost for no good reason. So bought 23. Oh yeah. So bought 23, sold 38. Bought 33, sold 35, 38. Oh no. So okay, let me see this. Yeah, bought 23, sold 35. Bought 34, sold 38. Bought 40, 42, looking for the extension, sold flat 38. Cool. Very good trade. Very good managing. Very good managing that position. Let's see. Tried it for a gap and go. Notice how well this was holding. Then I got a really awesome trade here. So, well, this one was kind of the same thing because I noticed how well this was holding. It should have failed here. It should have failed here and here and here, but it didn't. So I bought that. Very good read on my end. Maybe 1,000 shares next time. Maybe a bit more size next time. Gap and go. Nope. So here we go. 50. We got it out. 64.71. Very nice trade. So how much size here? 400 shares. Decent, decent. Next trade, bought 76, sold 72. Why did I get a little angsty buying this? I don't know, but I bought it. Tried this dip here, sold flat. Then tried it up here. Very good trade. Bought 54. Wait, there was one where I made a mistake and I threw away profit. Was it this one? Oh, yes, it was here. Yes, it was here. So I bought 77, I think. And then I accidentally kept buying 200, 200, and 200. So I was up 800 shares. Yeah, that's my mistake. I keep clicking around in different places and I accidentally clicked the buy button 3 times. That's kind of silly. Anyway, bought this dip here, 54. And then what happened? Did I sell 60, 62, 60, 58? Yeah, I think I sold this because there was a resumption that I wanted to trade, I believe. The resumption on, oh no, this was a resumption. This was the resumption, right? So dip and rip, dip, so selling 60s. Not bad. Didn't quite trust it though. Um, unless it kept going, then I'm like, okay, it's game on. It's time to trade this a little bit harder, a little bit, hold a little longer. Yeah, anyway, trying to build a day here, but it was very difficult. Um, profit factor one, 2 times my average loser. It's my winner. We get to see this almost 2 times. 25 trades, a little too much. I could have avoided a few. Anyway, that's gonna be it for me. Month is closing down. Hopefully you get a strong day this week to get a nice day over 1,000. Over a nice to finish the month over 1,000. But the opportunity is there. It's sitting in front of us. We just gotta do it. We just gotta take it. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching. And I will wait. Hold up. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Uh, hit me up on Discord if you need any help with trading. Once you get started, join us on Discord. We have a little community growing, so check it out. So this is the best trading analytics platform out there. It's it's by far the most affordable, and it's got all the features you need. So come check out all our features. We have more features than this because I just released tags, and I need to include it here. So anyway, want to try it for free? Absolutely for free. So give this a try. Download your file for today. Thinkorswim, download your file, upload it here, and you'll see this view for free. No account needed, nothing, just that file. Then you'll see this view. Check out your stats. A lot of people use it, so maybe one day they'll convert to active users. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.